good? Are you still in dead stop? I am proceeding on. It's a cul-de-sac, so there's no one here. I don't see anybody coming down the road.